Okay, hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make blueberry banana pancakes. And pancakes are one of my favorite things to do with our shake. And this can be a meal replacement shake for you, or you can make them and use them as a snack. But to make these today, what we're gonna use is our vanilla protein drink mix, our banana caramel Formula One meal, healthy meal shake. We are going to use a little bit of just raw whole rolled oats. We have 1 egg, 4 ounces of water, and a few frozen blueberries. I also have a griddle over here getting hot, or you can of course do this right on the stove. Any way that you cook your pancakes normally is how you can do them here. So what we're going to do is put everything into the blender just to mix it up. And then we're gonna pour them over the griddle and make them like pancakes. Here we go. To measure our oats, I'm just gonna use my shake scoop. So I just have the raw oats, and I'm just gonna do a shake scoop full of oats and put those in, and put those in there. And now for the blueberries, I'm just gonna put about half of these in there and hit it really quick with the blender. I don't want them all blended up in there. I would like to keep the pieces a little bigger so you can see them in the pancake. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna save the rest of these for the top. I'm gonna pull the griddle over here. It's smoking, I got it a little too hot. Now, just like you would normally cook pancakes, you just pour the batter right onto the griddle and cook them up like any other pancake. We also have a recipe that's a little bit easier than all of this, that uses the protein baked goods. So we'll do another recipe here soon that uses that. Okay, now that they're done, just put them on a plate. And these are so delicious, you don't even need any kind of syrup or anything like that. They're nice and moist, fluffy, and fantastic. So now we'll just put a few blueberries on top. Could do a few slices of bananas also.